Hello, Ahmed.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
See.
Make my day.
I'm showing this. I'm showing you this on purpose. So I want to ask you something about, like, maybe this is related with vibes, right?
Yeah, I would say so.
Yeah, I used to like read vibes everywhere, like Saturday vibes, winter vibes.
Yes,
But
yes.
I really want to I use it in my daily basis.
Yeah, I know. I actually saw this like yesterday on your Instagram with your
Yeah,
winter vibes, I think it was.
exactly. Yeah,
Yes.
you know, I think that this word, it's like new for this generation. It's not old, right?
I don't know. I haven't been alive for a long time, but I think so. I think
Yeah,
it's
because
pretty new.
I haven't read this word like in the books or
No,
somewhere else, but
no.
I found it on social media a lot.
Yeah, definitely. When did you first hear this? And do you have like a similar, like equivalent word or phrase for you?
But I need from you to explain more, like to understand it more. Like I think like it's something like happy or wow, I
Oh,
feel amazing today.
you're asking me to explain it. Oh, okay. Um,
Yeah.
oh gosh. You know, yeah, I feel like you know exactly what it means. It's like a feeling. It's
Mhm.
like a feeling. How you're feeling, what's going on. Like a person's emotional state or the atmosphere around you in a particular place. And it's just a
Yeah.
way to kind of explain how the atmosphere is or how you're feeling. Yeah, I think that's it.
But it's always all about like positive, not negative, right?
Yes, yes, definitely always. I mean, I've heard people use it in a negative way, but really only to say, for example, people will say, I'm getting bad vibes. I'm getting bad vibes. I don't like this situation. I'm getting like a negative energy. That's the only time
Uh-huh,
I will
uh-huh.
hear it in a negative
Yeah,
way. But
bad
other than
vibes.
that, yeah, other than that, it's always a positive thing. It's pretty much always used positively.
So can I use it uh, with the ing, like I'm vibing, or you are vibing my day, right?
Oh, that's interesting. Actually, yeah, I forget that people use it like that too. Not as
Yeah.
often. Only like certain people use it like this, but usually people will say, "Ooh, that's interesting." I've never actually thought about how to explain this before. People will say, "I'm vibing with this." And it'll be a particular situation, and it's basically just them saying, "I like this. I like this situation. I like what's going on." And they'll say like, "I'm vibing with it. I'm vibing with it."
Uh-huh, I'm vibing.
Yeah. 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 But
So
I've never thought about that. I honestly, like
yeah.
seriously, people don't use it that way as often, and only a particular group of people will use that. And like me, I don't really use that talk. I
E-
don't talk like that. It's a very particular kind of slang. I don't use
uh-huh.
that. It's fine. It's not bad. I just don't
Yeah.
prefer to use this language, I guess.
Okay. Another word that I'm always like reading on social media.
Mm.
Uh, wow, American always use it on TikTok. Like it's tripping out.
It's what?
Like
Tripping out.
I tripped out, for example.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure about this
Yeah.
word, whether it's bad or like
It's
it's
not
good.
it's not bad necessarily. So I actually have said this before. If I'm talking to someone and they're telling me something that is like mind blowing, that's really crazy, that I've never heard before, or I'm learning something for the first time that I'm very surprised that I didn't know before, I will say, I'm tripping out. Like, is this for real? Like, are you serious? I didn't know this before. But
Like I'm
more,
surprised. Like I'm
yeah,
surprised.
yeah, like to the max, like
Huh.
super, super surprised.
Let me let me give you like an example. So
Okay.
yesterday I told you about like wow, like I'm amazed because I got like offers from companies, okay,
Yes.
to make like videos. So
Yes.
I tripped out.
Yeah, you could say I tripped out, or you could just say that you tripped, like I was tripping.
I was tripping. Uh-huh.
Yep.
So yeah,
Yep.
got you.
Although you probably know this, but this also refers to when someone is on drugs. This is the state of mind that they have when
Okay.
somebody is like taking drugs, and then they'll say like, "I'm tripping," like I'm on drugs. So it can be a bad thing, but not typically.
Uh-huh. Let's take like the good things and
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
yeah.
If I ever tell you I'm tripping, it's because I'm surprised, not because I'm on drugs. Just so you know. You will know.
Yeah. So another word. I don't
Okay.
know what's wrong with this word. Let me spell it for you.
Mm,
BLEW.
okay.
Blue.
Yeah.
Blue.
Yeah.
So blew my mind, right?
Oh, yeah. Yes. Yeah,
Actually,
but
it
you
has this word. It has like so many meanings. I like I see people use it in different situations.
really. Okay, I'm surprised. You have to give me some examples because
Okay, okay. Can I use it like when I want to blow the air? Blow the air?
see, that's the thing. The word blue specifically is like the past tense of blow. Um
Blow. Okay,
yes.
so the present blow.
Yes.
Blue or blow?
Blow. Blow is present, blue is past.
Blue is best.
Yes.
Okay.
So this particular word, blue, it's either the past tense of blow, which has a lot of meanings, yes. Um, but do you think this word is used in a lot of uh, phrases, like in a lot of expressions?
You know, sometimes because it's hard for me to okay, I'm translating this word like in Google, but
Yeah.
sometimes I see like people use
Oh,
it, and sometimes I see like people they use it with like as a phrasal verb. So wow,
yes. Yes.
it's hard for me even when it comes like a word. So wow, and when it comes like a phrasal verb,
Yes.
it's really hard for me.
That's true. That's true. If this word is in a sentence and it is not referring to the verb blow like this, then you have to look at the phrase entirely because it's
Uh-huh.
probably a phrasal verb. If you're not using it as just the regular verb to blow, then you need to look at the whole phrase because we have so many. We have like blew my mind, like you say. So we have like blow your mind. You have blow me away. Oh my gosh, that blows me away. Have you heard this one before?
Blows me away.
Yeah.
Like push me away.
No, it's an expression, it's a phrasal verb. If you say, "Oh my gosh, that blows me away," then you're saying, "Oh, that's amazing to me. That's
Uh-huh.
incredible."
Mm-hmm.
So, like if you go see an amazing music performance,
Yeah.
you could say that performance blew me away. It was
Blew me
amazing.
away. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. That's one. You could have you ever heard someone say, "You blew it." You blew it. Or don't
Yeah.
blow it. Have you heard these? Like, don't blow it.
Whoa.
Have you heard these?
Okay. 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 There's a difference between the first sentence and the second sentence, right?
They're the same meaning. They're just two different ways that you could say it. So
Okay.
you blew it is like you ruined it. You messed it up. You
Uh-huh. You
made a
ruined it.
mistake.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So
And
it's more slang, yeah, right?
It is. Yeah.
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 Don't blow it. Like, don't ruin it. Right?
Yes, exactly.
Hmm.
Exactly. Mhm.
I'm a good
Yes.
student, right?
You're not bad. You're not bad.
Thank you. Um,
Yes. Blow my mind. I think these are probably the most popular. But like I said, if you if you see the word blow and it doesn't make sense with like this meaning, then it's probably a phrasal verb.
a
And you
phrasal verb.
probably need to look at the whole sentence because there are a lot.
Yeah, it depends on like the whole sentence, like the concept of the sentence.
Yes. Wow, you know what, Ahmed?
Yeah,
I'm sitting here, I'm
yeah.
thinking of a lot of other phrasal verbs with this verb. I'm remembering a
I
lot.
yeah, I can read your mind.
I'm sitting
You're
here and
thinking.
I'm like, wow, actually he's right. There are a lot. How about blow blow over?
Yeah,
Blow
blow
over
over, blow
or
over.
blow past.
I have heard about this phrasal verb before, blow over. But shame
Yes.
on me. I don't
You
know
don't
why.
remember?
Yeah, I don't remember. Yeah, I don't know why because I'm not use this phrasal verb on my daily basis.
Yes. Uh
Blow over.
so blow over is like
Yeah.
when a problem passes or a problem goes away.
Huh.
So if you say, I was having an argument with my mother, but
Yeah.
it blew over. It blew over. It went
Blow
away.
over.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yep.
Blew past. Yeah.
Blew past. Yeah. Gosh, there's so many. I'm like, I'm sorry.
No, no. I'm very happy to to have this
Okay.
like what do you call it? Like explanation.
Yes, there's so
Yeah.
many. Okay, blow past. Have you heard this one?
Bl- I thought like the same.
Um, Not really, because people use blow past when, let's say you're walking on the street
Okay.
and somebody walks by you very quickly. You say, "Wow, he blew past me." Or if you're watching a race, okay, two
Yeah.
people are running or two cars are racing, one car can blow past the other car. So if you pass someone or something very quickly, you're blowing past
Uh-huh.
them.
You're
Yeah.
blowing past.
Yes. Oh, how about blow smoke?
Blow smoke.
Not like actually smoking.
Okay,
Not
just
like this.
like a blow air
No,
come out from your mouth.
no. This is an expression, and when someone blows smoke, it means that
Yeah.
they're lying. It means that they're not telling the truth.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah,
yes.
yeah.
You
I
can
like it.
say
I like
he's
this
bl-
word.
he's blowing smoke. He's not telling
Smoke.
the truth. He's just
He's
blowing smoke.
he's lying.
He's lying. Yeah, he's just making stories, making up stories.
Yeah, yeah. Blow smoke. Uh-huh.
Yeah. I think these are the most popular. There's probably a lot more that I'm forgetting about, but I think these are the most.
Yeah, I need like the popular one.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
You'll
so
hear.
yeah, so every time I search on social media, I will yeah, I know this word, I know this
Yeah.
phrasal verb.
Yes,
I
you
don't have
will.
like to jump on like Google Translation every time I see these words.
No, although I wonder if
Yeah,
if you type this on Google Translate, you probably would not get the correct
the
translation,
correct
right?
exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
But when I search for these words on Google, I will find like the certain explanation for that because you know
Oh, okay.
Google it has like so many links.
Oh, yeah. God bless Google. Google's amazing.
Thank you, Google.